AWS offers tools like WF, Shield, and DDoS protection to help you manage these threats. AWS WF, or Web Application Firewall, allows you to create rules that filter out unwanted traffic. Shield provides additional protection against DDoS attacks, ensuring your website remains accessible even under heavy load. Together, these services help maintain the performance and security of your application. Think of it like having a security guard at a concert. The guard checks tickets to make sure only authorized people enter, while also being prepared to handle any disturbances. In summary, understanding and utilizing AWS's protective measures can safeguard your website from unexpected traffic spikes and keep your users happy. In the AWS environment, we have three key components that work together: AWS WAF, AWS Shield, and DDoS protection. Let's start with AWS WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall. This tool is designed to filter HTTP and HTTPS traffic. It helps protect your web applications from common threats like SQL injection attacks, cross-site scripting, XSS, and even unwanted bots trying to access your site. Think of AWS WF as a security guard at the entrance of a building. Just like the guard checks who can enter and who cannot, WF checks incoming traffic to ensure that only safe requests get through while blocking harmful ones. In summary, AWS WF plays a crucial role in safeguarding web applications by filtering out malicious traffic, which is essential for maintaining security and availability. AWS Shield comes in two tiers: Standard and Advanced. The Standard version automatically protects your AWS resources from common DDoS attacks, such as volumetric attacks, which try to overwhelm your network with traffic, and protocol layer attacks, which target the protocols used in your applications. This means that if someone tries to flood your service with too much data, Shield Standard is there to help keep it running smoothly. If you need more advanced protection, you can opt for Shield Advanced. This version offers real-time attack detection, which means it can identify attacks as they happen. It also provides detailed metrics so you can see how your resources are being affected, and it includes DDoS cost protection to help manage any financial impact from an attack. In summary, AWS Shield is essential for safeguarding your applications against DDoS attacks, whether you choose the basic or advanced level of protection. When traffic first arrives, it goes through either CloudFront or an application load balancer, often referred to as ALB. At this point, the Web Application Firewall, or WAF, evaluates specific rules to determine if the traffic is safe. This includes checking for any malicious activity. Additionally, the Shield layer works to mitigate potential attacks, ensuring that only secure traffic reaches our resources. In our lab, we will create an ALB that sits behind CloudFront. We will also attach WF rules to it, such as an IP block list to prevent access from certain addresses and rate-based rules to limit the number of requests from a single source. It's important to note that Shield Standard will be automatically active, providing an extra layer of protection without any additional setup. To recap, we're setting up a secure traffic flow using CloudFront, ALB, WF, and Shield to protect our resources effectively. When you set up a WAF, the goal is to allow normal traffic while blocking any malicious requests. This means that legitimate users can access your website without issues, while harmful requests are filtered out. To ensure that your WAF is working correctly, you can check CloudWatch metrics and WAF logs. These tools will show you a clear picture of what requests are being blocked and which ones are allowed. One common mistake that candidates make is configuring OWAF rules that are either too broad or too strict. For instance, if the rules are too broad, they might block legitimate traffic, causing frustration for real users. On the other hand, overly strict rules can also lead to unnecessary blocks. In summary, It's crucial to find the right balance in your WF configuration to protect your site while keeping it accessible for genuine users. First, it's important to understand that many people overlook the distinctions between Shield Standard and Shield Advanced. When you're preparing for exams or working on security measures, always remember to test your rules. This means you should regularly check your CloudWatch and AWS Shield dashboards to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Additionally, be careful when configuring rate-based rules, as they play a crucial role in managing traffic. To summarize, AWS WAF filters HTTP and HTTPS traffic, while Shield Standard provides automatic DDoS protection. On the other hand, Shield Advanced offers more detailed mitigation strategies and cost protection. Think of it like having a basic security system at home versus a full-fledged security service that monitors and responds to threats in real time. In conclusion, understanding these differences and monitoring your systems can greatly enhance your security posture. It's crucial to remember that WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall, needs to be configured correctly. This means that the rules you set up must be accurate to effectively protect your web applications from various threats. Additionally, AWS Shield acts as a protective layer that works on top of these WAF rules. Think of it like a security guard who not only checks the rules, but also provides an extra layer of protection against larger attacks, such as DDoS attacks. For instance, if your WF rules are like the locks on your doors, AWS Shield is like having a security system that alerts you if someone tries to break in. Both work together to ensure your application remains safe. In summary, always ensure your WF rules are properly configured, and remember that AWS Shield enhances your security by providing an additional layer of protection. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what advanced AWS topic you'd like us to explore next.